going to test out a new gadget. This Repti cooler from ZoomEd is like a mini swamp cooler, creating a constant flow of cool air using evaporative cooling. Once it's on top of the enclosure, just need to fill it up with frog-safe water, flip it on, and watch it do its magic. I'll also cover the top of the enclosure to try to maintain some humidity. I've never used this device before, but the frogs seem to enjoy it. Most of my animals are tropical, but for the few temperate species I have, I can definitely see this being useful, since I can't cool my whole facility. But the real question, does it work? Sure looks like it, dropping the temp by 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Safe to say these guys will be enjoying the coming summer without burning up.